Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog here in sunny Northern Ireland. As you can see, it's not very sunny, it's quite windy. Oh, beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Hello baby. I was having like this shop of it.
Sea levels must have been up here at one
point. So we've come to a national park which is called Glenariff Forest, and it's like a forest with nice waterfalls, and we brought a picnic that we got from the spa. I had to stop at that hardware store to get a fork to eat my salad. Little footage with that nice dog, it was just chilling in the shop. So we're just making his way to the waterfalls. Yeah, I can hear the stream, it's got to be down there.
That looks so graphic.
sheet further up now, you're alright?
No, there isn't, it's fine.
Is
it nice?
There's no chemicals in that from Yorkshire water.
What's this, a little pub? And we have a picnic. I got myself a Caesar salad with some onion and cheese on it.
I've just spotted a cable car back to the car.
You wish. I don't think it's that bad. We've done worse, steeper than this. This is, look at this, it's lovely. What more could you want? Forest.
The car parked there.
What you got? Ham sarnie?
I bought some ham.
Some ham.
I got some baguettes.
And we got some breadsticks and some hummus.
They were cheaper buying baguettes.
Yeah, make your own. Oh, what you got in it? Ham?
Ham.
So we're just having us Biscoff buns.
We've got Boyles's, Biscoff, cookies, Boyles's.
With a tea and a coffee. And look at the view. Love. It's a bit windy up here. We've come back down to the seafront, so I've got to go in the park.
Yeah.
There's not much open. The ice cream place is open. There's a couple of bars and the spa shop's open. Yeah, there's not much open on an evening down here, or anywhere to be fair. We've got an ice cream. Look at all these ice creams.
Yeah, what top? They're multicoloured sprinkles. They're multicoloured sprinkles, please. That's it, thank you.
Strawberries and cream, that's what Zoena's got.
That's it, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks nice. And we're back at the park. This massive park down here in Ballycastle. We've just got some hot drinks from the spa. Got myself a tea. Mike got a hazelnut coffee. Again. Might go for a drink in the pub. Should we go to the pub near the bar?
Yeah.
And then they can sit in the apartment, can't they, if they annoy us?
Yeah.
I can have a game of pool. Might have a lager and black. Heritage Trail this way. Full loaf of bread. We'll give it to, we could take it. We could give it to birds. We could go to Bird Island.
I might make bacon butty to take.
Yeah. Well,
So
what?
I can eat them cold.
We could make bacon and egg. I could make some boiled eggs. We can make egg mayo and bacon.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'll have that.
We can do a cookie tonight. Make an egg bacon.
Yes.
Are you enjoying that swing, Michael?
Lovely. Either this or I just shop online on Amazon. Might as well just keep on sweets.
Are you enjoying it? Saf's enjoying it. I'm enjoying it.
There's Bob in there.
It's not a very slidey slide. And we're back in the apartment. I think we went to 4 parks on the way home for Safi. She enjoys parks. Let her run off a bit of steam. We're just going to eat in tonight. So we've got to eat all the leftover food, what's in the fridge. And we're going to take some sandwiches with us tomorrow to the island. We're going to Rattling Island. We was going to go this morning, but the bus, the ferry over was full. And they only have like a couple of ferries a day. So we're going to go tomorrow and hopefully see the puffins and the seals over on the island. So yeah, join us for that tomorrow, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Can't remember what I filmed today. Oh yeah, we went to Forest. That might have been it. Anyway, I'll know when I edit it in a minute. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one for our last day here in Northern Ireland. See you then. Bye.